Mexico, male, music. And Christmas? I know, not the combo you were expecting, but stick around and I'll show you how I turned these 3 challenge prompts into a cheerful little holiday tag. Hi, it's time once again for coffee, crafting, and cats with the Ginger Cat Lady. I'm Pam, and Harley, well, he tried to eat the Christmas balls, so he's been banned from ribbon duty for the day. This is my entry for the hashtag ABCJLC challenge hosted by Jody Lewis Creations. We're on the letter M, and the prompts are Mexico, mail, and music. Not exactly your usual Christmas combo, but somehow it sparked the idea for a little Christmas tag. I'll show you how it came all together with scraps, a stamp, a snippet of Jingle Bells, and just enough chaos to keep things interesting. When I saw the Mexico prompt, the first thing that popped into my head wasn't tacos or travel. It was color, the red, green, and white of the Mexican flag. And that immediately brought me to Christmas. So instead of trying to force something that didn't feel natural, I let the colors guide me and leaned into a holiday theme. I started with a pretty simple base, just a dyed tag covered in green cardstock and a red damask print. Then I added in little nods to the other 2 prompts as I went. For music, I added a snippet of sheet music, Jingle Bells to be exact, a little festive, a little nostalgic, and totally in tune with the rest of the tag. For mail, I tucked in a vintage-style postage stamp and a red and white tag. I then added a word sticker with Season of Joy. Simple, sweet, and felt just right for the vibe I was going for. I kept the rest of the embellishments pretty simple. Just a couple of buttons, a number 25 tag, and a teeny red Christmas ornament with some twine. You know I love a bit of whimsy, and that little ornament makes me smile every single time. I also added some green ribbon because it's Christmas, and honestly, because it was sitting on my desk. It might not be the most traditional interpretation of Mexico, mail, and music, but it feels like me. That's what I love about these kinds of challenges. You get a prompt, and then your brain just kind of runs with it. You follow color, you follow feeling, and you hope something meaningful, or at least joyful, comes out of it. So that's my take on M, a cheerful little Christmas tag born from 3 unexpected prompts and a whole lot of red, green, and glue. This alphabet challenge was such a creative spark, and I'm grateful to be part of a community that encourages play over perfection. If you enjoyed this festive little detour, I'd love for you to stick around. Harley and I are always up to something over here. Sometimes it's serious, most of the time it's not, though. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you'd like more creative chaos with a side of cat hair. Want more like this? You'll find loads of crafty goodness in my DIY ephemera playlist. Just click on the link on the screen now, or you can find it in the description box below. And as always, may your scraps be endless and your glue never dry. See you in the next one. Bye.